It's a 3-bedroom, 4-bath, 2,869 square feet. And it's got a basement that's gonna be a game room, I think.
Okay, it's different for California.
Right. We got it for 1.045.
Okay. So how many houses have you two flipped?
None.
Wait, this is your first flip
Zero.
ever.
Yes.
What exactly were you guys looking for from me?
Help.
Oh,
Help.
yeah, help. Like, make
Yeah.
sure, can you make sure we don't lose any money?
I mean, I could, if you listen.
We've taken classes and we've tried to put things together, you know, to know what we're doing, but we never put things together. We've never done it before.
Apply our
So-
knowledge.
Right.
So how much actual money do you have invested, your own funds?
A lot.
A lot.
160
Both of
of
them.
mine, and some of it's from families,
Yeah.
which, you know,
Between the
it
both
makes
of us,
it even
200.
more scary because we both have borrowed from family to do this house.
So what happens if it doesn't turn out the way we hope it turns out?
It would just really suck.
I may have a sign on the corner.
Right.
We'll be disowned.
And we might not be friends, which would really be a downer.
Okay, I want to go see this thing.
Okay,
All right.
let's go look.
Awesome.
Okay, so
Here we go.
kitchen, heart of the house. This is nice, big old fireplace.
I think it should be made smaller because it's not symmetrical. I mean, it just seems like it sticks out too far this way, so maybe it would be trimmed down and then put some kind of tile or something to make it look more modern.
Okay, it would be a lot cheaper just to leave it as it is and reface it.
Oh.
Okay.
Is there a backyard to this house?
Yeah,
really.
that's it.
This is it?
Well, let's take a look, is right? There's a
There's
little,
a big backyard. It just goes all the way up.
yeah, it wraps around.
Okay, so I mean, you guys paid over $1 million for the house. Obviously, you're trying to sell for quite a bit more than that. I feel like right here should be some type of a slider system or bifold doors. You just some exterior lightings. You have a fire pit. You have a seating area. So even though the house doesn't have a big yard, like the buyers are going to walk in and they're going to feel like they can hang out there.
Yes.
Brunch, right
Brunch.
here.
So, like, you have a wall running here, you have a wall running here, kitchen's back here. So,
Right.
what would you do with this space?
We're gonna take this
Get
down
out.
and have like the peninsula right here.
Yeah, so for sure, we got to open up this wall, and we have to open up this wall.
Yeah.
This entire space needs to be open.
Okay.
Okay, and then let's look at this kitchen real
Yeah,
quick.
wait till you see the kitchen.
It's a little bit funky. If you kept the existing layout, redo the kitchen, and here you can build like a bench seating, like a breakfast nook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, let's look at the laundry then. So laundry's fine, just gut this, remodel it, laundry
Yeah.
area.
Keep the sink or get rid of the sink?
Now keep the sink. It's a laundry room, new sink though.
Yeah.
It's a real confusing house. This feels like the house, and this feels like an addition. So this is why I say architects are important.
Yeah.
Is this permitted or not?
It's part of the square footage. It was part of the square footage. So you'd think if they add the square footage, it would be legal. It'd be permitted.
Well, I'm just gonna say this. Like, if this isn't permitted and we can't keep this, like your profit's gone. You have to
Check the Ps
verify
and
with the
Qs.
city. Just have
Can
to
we
verify.
just disclose it though when we list it?
Well, no, because there's a chance if you're pulling permits here to do work, an inspector's gonna come here and he's gonna say, well, what's that room?
Uh-huh.
Right?
They can't work on it. Is that what you mean?
They're gonna make you take it down.
Oh.
I mean, based on the size of this room and the comps in the area, if we had to tear down this room, the price would drop about $200,000. Like, that's how much value you have with square footage in the area. Do you have a contractor?
Not yet, but we do have someone getting us bids.
So that contractor needs to run to the city
Okay.
and figure out what's going on with this back room. Yeah, we need an architect here. We haven't even seen the bedrooms yet.
Right.
Okay, so this is an office, but this
Right.
could be a bedroom though, right?
Right, that's what we thought. It could be an office if you closed off this door, because you already have an entrance going from the hallway. So then it could be closed and you have the entrance right there.
So to do a bedroom, we'd have to add a closet.
Yeah. The linen closet's out there, but forget
Oh, okay.
linen closet. Knock down
So
that.
we can cut a hole right here and there's
Right.
a closet right here.
Exactly.
Right, right.
Okay, that will give us a fourth bedroom.
Right.
I see a lot of the demo's been done. Does that mean we hired a contractor?
Well,
We're using 2 of them.
yeah, it wasn't as easy as we thought. We
Yeah.
were gonna go with one guy, and then when he finally gave us the breakdown of the estimate to do the work, not the finishes, just the work, it was over 220,000. And we were like, whoa, that doesn't even include tile or handles or anything. And,
Yeah.
and then we found somebody else. So the new contractor is the one that's taking more control of the work,
Right. So why are we using 2 contractors then?
because the other one has like 2 trades that are pretty reasonable.
So you have one main general,
Yes.
Yeah.
the cheaper guy,
Yes.
Yeah.
and then the more expensive guy is just helping out with a few things.
Yes.
I get that they want to save money, But using 2 different contractors means twice as much to manage, twice the communication, and twice the chances of things getting screwed up. If they're not super vigilant, they can end up spending more money on mistakes than the money they were trying to save. So we have an architect, we have a contractor, plans are in with the city.
Yeah, we're just waiting on the beam.
The beam.
The structural permit for the beam.
Okay, I have a ton of questions about the kitchen.
Let's go.
So,
Yeah.
All right, let's
tell
go
me
to the
about
kitchen.
this wall.
All right, well, you see my remove on the wall, so that's coming down.
Okay, are you gonna remove the entire wall or just the corner of the wall?
Just the corner of
The
the
corner to
wall.
open it up.
I mean,
So-
why don't you guys open up the entire space?
Well,
There's
we're
no
very
place to put the
limited
stove.
on where
It's
we can
tiny
put the
in there.
appliances because we can't, this is where the stove is. We can't have the back of the stove exposed.
So we'll use this wall for the appliances.
Right.
So this will be the stove, microwave, fridge, come
Yes.
over here.
Yeah.
And then from this point on, you're gonna have a
And
peninsula.
then, yeah,
seat.
right.
Okay, I like that.
And that wall's gonna be gone, so it'll be open. You're gonna put the sink back here, cabinets here.
And then what is our plan for back here? 'Cause this
So
is the
we
We
laundry
have a
room.
new plan back here.
Yeah,
new
and
plan.
I love
Yes.
it, yes.
So we're
Careful.
still gonna do the washer and the dryer here. And instead of having a sink and a cabinet like we had talked about, we're gonna make a doggy wash.
Yes, a doggy wash.
Hold on. Are we in a dog owner area?
We
Yes,
are.
we are.
Okay, I gotta ask because I've never done one. How much is a doggy wash?
Like a couple hundred.
It's
All right.
less than a cabinet, let's put it that way.
Uh-huh.
All right,
Yeah.
sold. I'm sold.
Okay.
The doggy wash wins. Hello.
Yeah. Oh, hey.
Hey, how's it going?
Tarek, we're just a little bit behind schedule. I feel like we're behind schedule and we're kind of stressed out about it.
I'm sure you could tell, like, it's so different than selling real estate, right? Like, so
Right.
many moving parts, like,
Right.
so many different subs. What kind of questions do we have?
Okay, questions hardwood. Okay, so we got the carpeting up and we found this gorgeous hardwood floor underneath, which is really thick. It's
Yeah.
a good wood. It's not like a really cheap veneer or whatever. So the question is, do we try and just resand and add more wood where we're gonna miss it, like we have to put it in the closet?
What's easier, faster, and cheaper?
Okay, that answers the question.
Yeah.
No, not keep the wood.
Oh, sorry.
No.
You get rid of, just
Right.
blow all new floor.
Exactly.
Really? It's
laminate.
Yeah, I guess because it's labor too.
Like, look, I mean, look at the, like, it would look nice,
Yeah.
but think
Yeah.
about the man hours it would
Yeah.
take
Right.
to
Oh, I
fix
know.
the flooring,
Sand it.
add matching flooring,
Yep.
restain the flooring.
That's for
That's true.
Yep.
That's a really
It
good
is,
way
and
to...
it's really a big
Yeah.
difference.
Yeah.
Okay,
So-
then done. Okay, and question answered.
It's totally normal to have questions like this. What worries me is it seems like they didn't do any research. They're just feeling their way through the process and they need to take ownership of the flip. Trisha and Denise are having some trouble getting on the same page with the design. They just installed tile in the downstairs bath and now Trisha wants to rip it out. If they keep revisiting every decision, they're just never gonna finish.
Come on in.
Yep.
Oh, that looks real nice.
Do you think so?
Yeah, I love the pattern.
Okay, because I was really concerned about it's such a small shower, but we've got 3 different patterns going on.
No one's gonna notice.
Okay.
I think it looks really, really great. You know, we're not working with the biggest space here.
Yeah. We're probably gonna put some dark black grouting in here because that's how it was supposed to be.
I think the floor upstairs should have the black grout.
But you don't
This, I
think-
think, should still
Okay,
stay white, just
okay.
because we got a lot going on.
Gotcha.
I think it's already done and I would leave it.
Yeah.
I would just leave it.
Okay. Our families keep checking in with us and it is so stressful. It's their money and I would feel horrible if this all goes south. So I'm just taking the small victories as they come, like the dog bath.
Is it doggy bath time?
Yes, it is.
Oh, that is cute.
Isn't it
It is cute. Okay, so
cute? So cute.
if the buyer of this house likes animals, this is a huge home run. I'm gonna ask you though, how much did this cost you?
So the whole thing probably was like 200 bucks.
200 bucks.
Yeah.
All right, that was worth 200 bucks.
We finally got our last permit, and the beam is going in today. It took 2 months longer than it should have to get the permit, so that's like $14,000 extra in holding costs. which killed us. But I'm hoping it'll be smooth sailing now.
Denise took over the design of the backyard, and personally, I think we need more. So I was looking at the closed comps, and those houses seem to have a sizzle. They have a big backyard, or they have a luxurious primary, you know, so.
That's something really, really important, especially in California, the backyard.
Yeah.
So let's just show me
Let's
real
just
quick.
come look.
We did concrete. We did a little bit of the overhead lights, so you have the patio lights,
We need
which
to
makes
clean
it
it
kind of
up.
nice. It's not done yet. We got to do the backyard over here with some plants and things like that. We have to do plants over here. And this is new.
Okay, if you wanted to do a sizzle feature, this is where you should have done it. Because I see you guys really struggle on choosing flooring, the things that, you know, they're kind of important, but not so important. But then something like this, you just kind of blew it over. The work's already done, and I didn't even know this is new.
Right.
Like, for almost probably the same price, you could have a beautiful wood deck coming out. If it was me, I would have ran the deck all the way to the wall to make the patio bigger. It feels like they're very scattered and disorganized. Looking around, I think the best thing they can do right now is focus on finishing quickly and getting out of this house. All right, it's open house day.
I want to know what they're going to say.
It looks modern.
I know, I like it. It's a two-story.
I like the flowers over here.
Yeah, it's cute.
Why is the grass 2 feet long on open house day?
No clue.
That's,
Look at the grass.
oh my gosh.
Wow, this is pretty. I love the openness, all the light.
Okay, I like the living room.
Yeah, I like the fireplace.
And like those floors look good.
Could play some games here. And this is a really nice space. You can put a good-sized table here, and we can fit our whole family, which is really nice.
Open kitchen, I like it.
Cool, got the roof beams going. That's funny. How come they got a copper pipe on the filler? Wonder why they just didn't leave it all black.
Uh-oh.
I could be cooking, and you could be watching TV, and we could hang out here.
So this will be our breakfast area. What is that?
So it's a dog spa. That's cool.
Would our doggy fit in there?
No.
Still pretty cool, though.
All right, so they're liking the dog wash. You glad you did it?
Yeah.
All right, what do you think? We're gonna get a return on that thing?
I think so.
I actually think you are. Like, first I was skeptical, but now that I see it, I think you are.
I could imagine like a TV right like here.
This would actually better be a nice TV room, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I think this backyard is a little bit too small, right? It would be nice if it's bigger.
I like it.
You like it? It's a good size?
Yeah.
Oh, it feels so nice and private. Wow,
There's
how
a
fun.
mini golf course.
Wow, that's so cool.
Oh, this is so cool.
Oh, wow.
I like
a
that.
fireplace.
Who would get this room?
Probably less.
All right, primary.
Wow. This is a really nice space.
Oh, I love it.
You
I
get
have a lot of
you get
space
lost
here.
in it. Oh, wow.
Wow.
I like it.
I
like
like
the
it a lot.
counters.
Yes, this is great.
Wow, this is a really nice shower. Did you see this? Wow.
Whoa. It looks so fancy.
Wow, this is really nice.
The top looks a little bit small, though.
Yeah, so, I mean, that was my only complaint, too. It is a tiny bathtub for the primary.
Yeah.
I'll bet you next time, though, you put in a different bathtub.
Oh, yeah.
This would be such a great boys' game room for you guys, huh?
The treads are too narrow.
It has a fireplace, too. There's a lot of fireplace in this house.
Yeah.
I like the
I
tile
tried
upstairs better than this blue in here.
Picky buyer.
These are very picky buyers.
Wow, this is cute.
That's nice. I wonder if you can open the door all the way.
Look at the shower. Surprise.
I like that.
So cool.
Oh, that's another room. So it could be a like a guest room.
You can be here when you're a bad boy.
I could live here.
I love it.